Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to create animation of your story. This is totally free and you can create your video and make money online. This video is long and has different steps. Keep watching and follow these steps. First steps is to generate images related to your story. For example, I create an animation on story Thirsty Crow, so I have to generate images of this story. For this purpose you can use website name Blue Willow.
Music licensing reimagined.
Step 2. After generating images, go to the website called Liapix. Register yourself or sign in with Google account. After registration, the main page of website is open on your screen. Click on plus button. Window is open. From this you have to choose an image which you want to use for animation. After selecting image, it takes some time to upload 100%.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now here are some edit button. You can selection time duration, animation style and many more. After editing, click on share button, look like 3 dots, type. It takes some seconds.
Music licensing reimagined.
After completion, click on MP4 button to import animation. And last, click on Save button. Your animation is saved in download folder. For next animation, click on plus button again. Now go to download folder and play. Your animation video is ready. Thanks for watching.
Artlist.io